Okay, so this is the knob. So all you need to do is, see, that is it. So simple. I love it. I love it. Come on, look at the coils. Look at the coils. Look at the coils. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. You guys are all amazing. To my return subscribers, my new viewers, sorry, I had to apply wet lip because the Amatan is Amatayin. If that would even make any sense. As in the dry season, this 2023 December came with serious hot sun, and the dryness everywhere is just something else. My nose, how did they call it? My nostril feels so dry, my lips so dry. So I just had to apply that lip gloss, so I'll look engaged for you guys. Okay. Okay, my darlings, welcome and welcome back once again. I appreciate you all for clicking on this video. My return subscribers, my new viewers, you're all welcome. Thank you so much. Okay, so my darlings, we're in December. Yes, we're in December. There's one of my vlog I had to sing, "Oh, December, where we will go. Oh, December." I like that song. I think it's in my December market vlog for this year, 2023. I don't know if I will be uploading it before this video you're seeing now. But whichever one that comes first, just know, say, I like that song, "Oh, December, where we will go." Okay, so yeah, we're in season, we're in December, we're in festive period, and you guys know this festive period, as a lady, as a woman, as a girl, you want to look good, but the economy is not smiling. Every end of the year, especially in December, I try to take advantage of promos. A lot of hair vendors seem to be doing hair promo, you know, sales and all of whatever they call it, discounts, clearance sales for their hairs and stuff like that. Yeah, most of my hairs, I like taking advantage of you know, sales that happen in December. But the exchange rate this year, this 2023, is crazy. I mean, if I'm not mistaken, I think he's $100 to 1,350 naira. Hey! Ooh, that's crazily high. So I don't see myself buying hair this year. I don't see myself buying any new weave this year. So like as I was saying, it's December is festive period. Even if I'm not getting any new hair this year, but at least mama must slay, mama must slay. So as you can see here, I have bags of hairs. I wanted to review, or rather I wanted to show you guys the hairs in here because, yeah, someone commented in one of my videos. I don't know her name. I can't really figure out her name right now because I didn't check the comments before I started this video, but when I'm editing this video, I'll probably just look for the comment and post it somewhere here. Okay, so she said I should do a video of how I maintain my hairs, okay, and probably a review of all my hairs. That I can't do a review of all my hairs because even to revamp hair right now, as in, it's very, very expensive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to revamp a few hairs, okay, a few of my old hairs, of which one of them is my very not my first human hair, but if I'm not mistaken, that should be like my second human hair that I bought with my money. My very first human hair was I think I did a photo shoot for a hair vendor, and they gave me the hair and some small change. Okay. that was back in 2015. So my very first hair that I bought with my money, with my ego, was in 2017, and that was my wedding hair. So you guys, that hair is in pieces. Everything is in here. I can't really like start bringing everything one after the other. Everything is in here. I mean, that hair is in pieces, like as I was saying, because I was fixing it as a normal weave, like I fix it directly to my hair. So today I'll be taking it to the salon to revamp it. They will style it, they would join the pieces together and probably turn it to a wig for me, and then I'll probably revamp a few of my recent wigs. I don't know, one. See, I have a whole lot of weaves in here. I don't know which is which, but let me see. Okay, yeah, this is the hair I was talking about. Like, it's in pieces. I can't bring them out now. It's in pieces, like it's in a total mess. So they'll probably have to make this as a wig for me. Okay, and then you guys, you know what, whichever hair I end up revamping from here, by the time I get back, I'm sweating, like I'm really sweating in here. By the time I get back, let me say, I don't think I'll be able to pick these hairs today, obviously, because they will have to wash it, style it, it dries up before I go and pick it. Maybe in a few days when it's ready, I'll do a review of the ones I'm able to revamp. I don't know, depending on the price or on how they charge me. I don't know where they go. I didn't place to this. Take. Hey, see my hair. Good afternoon. Oh, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? See her fine handwork. You guys come and revamp your hair here. Meet the CEO. Please, if you're in Port Harcourt, Xavier Optimum. Yeah, Xavier Optimum. Hair laundry is the best. Like, when you want to revamp your hair, please bring your hair here. Like, she's too much. And I will show you guys the review of all the hairs that she has revamped for me, or that she's going to be revamping for me in this this festive period. Okay, so you guys keep watching. Okay, keep watching. You guys, are you seeing her handwork? This is why I say, when you want to revamp your hair and you're in Port Harcourt, in fact, even if you're in any state in Nigeria, just, do a review and to get to them. Yeah, right. Anywhere you are in Nigeria, just do a review and to definitely get to them. I mean, if you're getting a good job, so why not? Please, can you just see? I don't want to show your full work. I mean, it's your money. This is where you make your money from. So I don't want to show your full work you get. So I'm just, giving you guys a glimpse of what she's doing.
You guys, I can't overemphasize on the importance of revamping your hairs, your weave or your wigs, whichever one. I mean, these salons, they take their time to wash the hair, to take out any bad smell, and they use good products to wash the hair, take out build up, bad smell, and also style it. It all depends on the package that you choose. Okay, For me, see my old hair, I mean my very first hair, see how they revived this hair. They they repaired the hair, and I used it first for my birthday photo shoot. Yeah, my birthday is on the 29th of December. So guys, these are the both hairs that I took to the salon with me, and this is the old hair that I revamped. Okay, you guys, they did a very good job on this hair, especially this one, the old hair. They had to join the pieces together and turn it to a wig, style the hair. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. Let's start with this old one. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned earlier on, guys, this hair is 6 years old. As in, this hair I got it in 2017. So I know I mentioned earlier on that I didn't like the frontal that it came with, because the frontal was too short for the hair, for the length of the hair, so it was looking funny for me. So yeah, I had to ask them to ventilate closure for me from the weave, from some of the pieces of the weave. Let me just show you guys this thing properly. Okay, this is how I wear, this is how I wear wig. I like the closure they ventilated for me. You guys, I'm totally happy with the revival of this hair. Yes, I had to use that word because this hair was a total mess. But look at it now. It's so beautiful. So I'm done with this. You guys have seen this one. So beautiful. I'm so happy my old hair has been revamped. And I'm definitely going to come back this coils after I wear it to the function or event that I want to wear it to. Okay, so this is the new weave. You guys, I'm so clueless. I don't know how to take out this. You guys, look at that. This is so lovely. I love this realness. So guys, look at the coils. Look at the coils. Look at the coils. Look at the coils. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. As in, okay, so. This is what the coils is giving. Okay, I think I'm meant to use a big comb, those big combs that have space. I don't have it. The shopping that I plan going for, I'll probably look for the type of comb I just mentioned and get it because of this hair. Okay, because when I use that comb to comb this hair, then I'll be doing justice to the coils. Because see, some parts are still not combed out, especially the back. I was really struggling to comb. I can still feel the coils. Some parts are still not combed out. The hair is so full. It's so full, and I love it. I love it. Like, I really, really, really love this hair. Okay, my darling, I have obviously come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please, my darlings, check in your closet. If you have old weaves, don't throw them away. Take them to, I mean, if they're still, you know, in a good condition, if they're still repairable. You know how you have this lovely shoe or lovely bag or lovely clothes that probably have one small fault that you can just, you know, take to a shoe buckler or a tailor to fix for you. I'm referring to either clothes
or bags or shoes. You know how you can take them to any of these handy people that I just mentioned to fix for you, and then the clothes, the bag or the shoe becomes bam again. Please do the same thing with your weave, okay? I mean, if anyone had told me that this hair will be revived like this, huh? So my darlings, please take care of your hairs, okay? I mean, these hairs are not cheap. Now that exchange rate is dealing with us, naira to dollar, pounds to naira, euro to naira, it's all crazy right now. So take good care of your hairs, okay? I mean, it costs nothing to revamp them, style them, wash them. If you're spending 7K to revamp your hair, or 5K, or depends on the area where you stay, or the charge the salon uses to revamp hair, I think it's way better than losing a hair that you got for, I don't want to mention any amount, okay? So it's way better than losing a hair that you got so expensive. Okay, my darlings, now see you in my next video. And to my new viewers, do not go without subscribing. Join Becky the Mommy's YouTube family by hitting the subscribe button, okay? And if you watch this video to this point, you have not liked the video, kindly like it, okay? Thank you very much. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.